I'm going to share a real exam question on your screen now. And you will see a passage with few missing words. So whenever a blank is spoken, I want all of you to just note down the answer on your sheet. Just 2 suggestions. Please be very quick when you're taking notes. And number 2, always keep your eyes on the screen throughout the entire audio. Don't look at your book. Even in the real exam, keep your eyes always on the screen because sometimes the audio can be very fast. Okay? Please be attentive. I'm going to share the screen now. Just think that you are taking the real exam right now. So try to be very attentive, please. I hope all of you are ready. Okay, the audio. Okay, let's do a very simple question first. The audio will start in 5 seconds. Keep your eyes on the screen, everyone, please.
Here at last was a base from which this largest ocean in the world could be further explored. Many questions were still unanswered. How large was the ocean, and how many undiscovered lands did it hold? Way out in the ocean, not far from Tahiti, did there lie a mysterious continent? Surely if it existed, it would be inhabited, perhaps densely inhabited.
Okay, so the audio is finished, guys. Can somebody tell me what was the first answer?
Explode.
Easy, right? Pretty easy. E-X-P-L-O-R-E-D, explode. What was the second answer?
Undiscovered.
Yeah. So every time you have to click, you'll have to use your mouse and have to click in the box and then you can type. Okay, what was the third one?
Mysterious.
M-Y-S-T-E-R-I-O-U-S. And what was the last one?
Densely.
Okay, what is the spelling?
D-E-N-S-E-L-Y.
D-E-N-S-E-L-Y. Did anybody get all the 4 blanks correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do the next one. Spelling.
Explode. E-P-L-O-D.
Yeah, so spelling mistake means it's a wrong answer, okay? Spelling mistakes are not allowed, as I said. So guys, all of you can mute your mic for some time. I'm going to play the next audio. After that, we will discuss the answers. Please be attentive. Keep your eyes on the screen, okay? Next. Starts in 5 seconds.
This multi-million selling internet book is still the ultimate handbook for novices and experts alike. It's written in plain English. It covers everything from getting online for the first time to news feeds. This fully revised guide covers all the latest sites and crazes. Whether you've never sent an email or you just want to keep up with the latest developments, this is the book for you.
The screen was not visible actually. It came up very late for me while the audio was playing.
Oh, was it the same for others as well?
No, sir, it was fine for me.
For me, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay. Saroj, I think it could be some internet related issue at your end.
Yeah, it could be delay in the internet.
Could be. Alright, what is the first one?
Novelist.
Novelist.
Novices, N-O-V-I-C-E-S. A novice is a person who is new at something, like a beginner.
Right.
It is the opposite of the word expert.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we should always see the words around here. We should always scan the words nearby so that we can get an idea of the actual answer. Okay, what was the second one?
Everything.
Yeah, that was very easy. Everything. Third one?
Guide.
Revised.
It was revised, R-E-V-I-S-E-D. And please be very careful with words ending with ed because sometimes in the exam such words are not very clear because of the accents. Okay. What was the fourth answer?
Crazy.
Crazes.
Crisis.
It was crazes. It was not crisis, it was crazes. C-R-A-Z-E-S. So the singular is craze, the plural word is crazes, the plural, okay? A craze is something you're crazy about, like a trend. For example, TikTok is the craze of the century, like that, you know? Okay. And what is the last one?
Development.
Developments, S, plural. Did anyone get all 5 correct?
Yep.
No.
Okay, I heard only one person.
No.
I heard only one yes. I think it was Diksha. Okay. So guys, both of these are real test questions, both, okay? Now let me quickly explain the scoring criteria. The total score in each module of PT is a score of 90 out of 90, 90, as all of you would know, I hope so. Now what happens that if you type the correct spelling in the box, okay, you'll get 1 point out of 90 in both listening and writing. So in this task, 1 point is equal to 1 mark in both listening and writing. So if all 5 blanks are correct, and in the previous question you had 4 more blanks, right? So 5 plus 4 is how much? 9. You'll get 9 points out of 90 in both listening and writing. And after this, if I do next, there is one more question which has around 4 to 5 more blanks. So that's around 14 to 15 marks out of 90. Does it make sense, everybody?
Yes.
So if you're good at this task, no wonder you will get a super high score in listening and writing. So for people who are very good with spelling, this task is, you know, like a bonus. Now the problem. The problem is that if I write a wrong spelling, for example, in the last fill in the blank, instead of developments, if I write development, the spelling is right, but is the word correct? No. My answer, is it correct or incorrect? Obviously, it is incorrect. Yeah, my answer is incorrect. So if my answer is incorrect, PT says that in the guideline they have written that I will get 0. But unfortunately, it's not 0. It is always a penalty. And a penalty for the spelling mistake is very steep in this task. It's very high. It's around -6 to -8 marks out of 90. Okay? One mistake you make, you lose 6 to 8 marks. 2 mistakes you make, what does it mean? It means you book the test again. Guaranteed. You know, it is something like that. You can't get 79 after that. So, if you're not sure about the spelling, what should you do then? Should you take a chance? Yes or no?
No.
Logically, you should not take a chance. For example, if you're not sure whether this blank number 4 is crazes or crisis, even after, you know, thinking for some time, if you are not able to decide what is the word, what should you do? You should leave it blank. Now the funny thing is that even if you leave it blank, it's not that you will get 0. Still, there is a penalty of 3 to 4 marks. Okay? So even if you leave it, you lose -3 to -4. If you write the wrong spelling, you lose -6 to -8. So either ways, you will be losing a lot of marks. And that is the reason I said that people who generally get 79 plus in the first attempt make no mistakes or don't leave any answer. Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying? Everybody? So I'm not trying to scare anyone or so, but this is how the algorithm works, the actual PT scoring system. Now one last thing, actually 2 more things I will say, and then we will move on to the next task. See, in case if you get a number in this task, for example, if you get the number 26 as the blank, you should type the actual letters. Don't type the digits, type the letters, okay? Like 20-SIX. Don't leave a space, okay? Just put a hyphen, and this actually comes in the real exam, this number 26. Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying?
So I have one query here. So while writing these numbers, do we have to give dashes or like how we usually write any numbers?
Yes, with a
Like-
dash. Yeah, that's what I said, yes.
And what if we don't use dash? Like
It's
if you
okay.
won't
There
have
is-
told me,
there
I
is-
won't have used dash.
Yeah, so there is no penalty, but this is what is recommended as per most of the dictionaries in English. And I follow most of the common dictionaries, so that's why I'm recommending it. I don't know what will happen, but this is what I'm saying.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, thanks. Okay.